Let's fly south for the winter. But she ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know she'd rather keep her distance. But as time moves on.
Oh, Ray. Hi, Ray.
Feeling hopeless till you came around, came around. All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs, chasing highs. What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love? What is love? I don't know. No one ever showed me. I've been on my own for too long. But if you hold me now, let me into your heart. Maybe I can start to love again and tend to my scars. Can you show me?
E-I-E-I-O. E-I-O. It goes oink oink here and oink oink there.
I just wanna come alive.
Yay!
What's going to happen to this bridge? It's coming down. I thought it would ever really different.
Raiden, get off of me!
Think about Billy. Oh, yeah, that's right. Let's use the triangular.
Hey, don't hit my camera too much. You have kids? This is this is what you experience. Let's find the bandit. Follow the crumbs. Follow the yellow brick road. Up, up, up. Who did it? Ray did it.
And that was fun too.
Did your brother help you? And why are you
Me, myself, and
You know this is going in the trash,
I
right?
should go check on that.
Chunkmonk, what did you have to do with this?
Get back to all this fun.
Raiden,
Wish I could keep laying
did you
on
participate?
but she
Well, you gonna participate, huh?
I'll have a whole
This is ridiculous. Get it out your mouth. No, we're not eating it, you know.
Okay, ready?
Look, I mean... so it is, my hair is already sweating out, y'all. This is why I don't straighten it, and I just wear it wet, I guess. Not necessarily wet, but like wash it when I get out the shower, comb it and put it up. I just wear it like that because that's drama. Because when I get hot or when my hair feel like it's like sweating, I want to wash it. So no, I could not be someone. That's why I think I don't get my, like, go to somebody and get my hair done a lot, for a couple reasons. Because people never, I don't know, do my hair the right, well, in my past experiences, people never do my hair right. Only the Dominican salon, which I have been going to for years. I just have to find one here in North Carolina, because my usual salon is back in Ohio, where I'm from. And then before that, I was going to a Dominican salon in New York, where I went to college, you know, where I lived for 4 years. So only the same people have touched my head. I'm very particular about that. But yeah, I have to find a salon, and out here, a Dominican salon. And the one that I found, the reviews are so mixed. Like, it's a lot of bad reviews and it's a lot of good reviews. So I'm like nervous about it. But yeah, the reason why, and then I didn't go that often. I didn't really need to. My hair is really trained and, you know, whatever, manageable. But when I would go, soon as I would get hot, like I said, as soon as I get hot, or when I get my hair done, I want to put it in a ponytail or put it in a bun or wash it. So that'd be such a waste of money for me if I just constantly kept like my hair done like most people, like every week or every 2 weeks or whatever, and I'm washing it every few days. So no. Oh, come on. This is like so much freaking traffic. Like, you can't even freaking get out of here. This is ridiculous. I mean, thank you. Finally, that somebody's letting me go. Jeez. I don't know why this tow truck getting out like they letting you go too. Anywho, so today is, which I probably already said earlier, I don't remember, but if I didn't, today is Thursday, May 20th. Y'all know I never know the date, so just bear with me. And yeah, I have not picked up my camera the last couple days. For one, I was like rushing to work the last few days, and then two, I just forgot to grab my camera. Like, I literally set my camera out, and I have both 2 or 3 times forgot to actually grab my camera when I went out, and that's a whole other thing. But it boring stuff. I mean, I'm saying boring because it's like I'm used to doing it, but it may be interesting to you. But it's just regular work stuff. I had lashes to do, waxing, and then you know, regular stuff, lashes, waxing to do, facials, whatever. And you guys have seen it before, so you know what it what that looks like, what that entails in my day. But if you would like to see more of it, or if you just would like to see it constantly, definitely comment and let me know, because I have no problem recording while I'm at work if I remember. That's just the key. I have to remember. I'm on my way now. I really, honestly, I need to go get a car wash and clean my car out, which my fiance normally does, but his work schedule has been crazy this week, so he hasn't had a lot of downtime. So he's been at work, and the times that are like the perfect time for me to like get my car washed and cleaned out, he's at work. So I think I'm just gonna end up doing it myself if I have time today. because I have like about an hour or so until I go pick up my kids. But if I don't, then I'll just pick another day. Today is so hot, y'all. It is 85 degrees right now, 90. My phone says 90, my car says 85. And it's hot, it's heck. It's like a hot 85, a hot 90. So I wasn't expecting that because it hasn't been that hot these last few days or even couple weeks really. And so yeah, I have jeans on and my legs are dying right now. So yeah, and I see all these people out getting their car washed. I know that's right. Ain't nothing like a fresh car wash and wax, and I mean, it make you feel like you just got out the shower. Like honestly, truly, honestly, truly. Never felt that, never heard of that, never seen that. Don't know what that is. If y'all I need help. If y'all catch on to what I'm talking about, comment below. Let me know what I'm talking about or who I'm talking about. Where did I get that from? Y'all better know. I'm so glad I got gas. Because if you guys don't know, it's a gas shortage. I don't know if it's everywhere, like I said, but I know it's here. I know it's in the South. I say that much. And I'm so glad I got gas 2 days ago. And I still have 215 miles in my car because I haven't really gone anywhere. And particularly because of the gas shortage, like I literally home, work, home. You know, with the little in-between stuff, like go to the grocery store and pick the kids up. But that's it, literally. And I love like the area I live in because everything is like, it really is walking distance where I live. You know, I could walk if I choose to. Who else takes like update showers during hotter weather? Like say you shower like the normal person, like once every day, like in the winter, in the fall and winter, or you shower in the morning and then you shower in the evening when you come home, like most people. Like that's generally what we do. Like when I wake up I want to take a fresh shower, and then when I come back I want to take a fresh shower to get to bed. Say you do that. But say in the summertime, let me tell you, I shower so many freaking times a day and change so many times a day because you feel like sticky, like sweaty. I don't like how my clothes cling to me after a certain time, like after a few hours of having stuff on. I can't do that. We're not doing that. We just not gonna do that. That's just not what we gonna do, and that's what that is. So I have to like get in the shower like 2-3 times a day, even more depending on, you know, what's going on, or if you're outside a lot, like if you're not in air conditioning and you're in like the sun. I have to shower multiple times a day just to feel clean, because no, that's why I need to go get a ton of nice like biker shorts and nice like tanks, or nice sportswear t-shirts, like the ones that are thin. Like not this one. This one is thin. It's thin. This actually I got from Misguided, I think. But like this is thin, but it's still cotton, and it's not like a really breathable cotton. Like it is like I'm still hot. So I like to get the ones that's like almost feels like a sports, what is it called, a sports I mean a jersey knit, I think, or just jersey period. Like that's the kind of material I need to get a bunch of stuff in, because when I do multiple times a day, like if I want to wash up or whatever, freshen up or full on shower, I like to change, like I said, and put a fresh pair of whatever on. So like, yes, I need a fresh pair of underclothes. I'm gonna put a fresh t-shirt on, just a nice comfortable t-shirt. I swear it's nothing like a nice comfortable fresh t-shirt and like shorts. And I particularly like biker shorts. I don't like what are they called, like Daisy Duke shorts. I never really liked them because they are uncomfortable to me. I feel like I'm gonna get a yeast infection or something, so we'll pass on that. I mean, you almost basically hit me. You want to give me a newer car, I'm really for that. Y'all know I'm so cautious when I'm driving. Like, I look at everybody. Like, do not be on the road just worried about how you driving, and if you driving safe. Look at everybody. Look at how everybody driving, and if they driving safe, because I don't know what it is, but the farther south you get, the worse people can drive. Like, nobody can drive in North Carolina. What is it? Like, and then, you know, the speed limits are higher, I would say, so people go faster, but like, they don't have no caution out here. Like, people just drive any type of way, like they're not going to get hit. And it's a high accident, like, being in the south are high accident areas. That's why our insurance is higher, like, in living in areas like this, because they jump in front of you. I mean, they don't care. They just, like I said, they just drive like it's goddamn Mario cars around here. And that's ridiculous to me. Don't get over if you see I'm getting over. Oh, y'all know what I want? Some Starbucks. So I've been thinking about that all this morning, and I was going to actually make myself iced coffee at home when I was doing my hair earlier, but I was like in a water crisis, or not crisis, but a water mode, where I have been kind of like getting off of my water cleanse, which I think I told y'all about, actually, that I was doing like a little water cleanse. And that just means I was taking out a bunch of juice, because typically that's really, I don't really drink soda. I only drink it every now and then, and that's just if I feel like I'm back to, like, I need, like, sparkling water wasn't doing it or something. Like, I need to get me something strong, like McDonald's Sprite. I swear that could cure damn cancer, or some ginger ale. You drink that and you just instantly cured. Like, it don't matter what you got going on. Go get you a McDonald's Sprite or a Canada Dry ginger ale. That's it, nothing else. No other type of ginger ale. Sis, Canada Dry. But soon, or Vernus, I'm sorry, Vernus, but that's the OG ginger ale, and I love Vernus. But anywho, like I said, I was doing a water cleanse, so I have been getting off of it, and I actually hate it. I've been drinking too much damn sweet tea and juice and coffee. That's water, y'all. I had sweet tea in it, and I filled it up with water. So slow y'all roll and mind your business. But anywho, like I was saying, oh gosh. But anyway, yeah, like I was saying, so I had got off of my little water, you know, mode for a while, and I'm like, I need some water. And I don't like feeling like that when I do that, because if I don't drink a lot of water, or water that my body is used to drinking, I feel dehydrated, and I absolutely hate feeling like I'm always thirsty, like all day. Like, no matter how many times I drink, I feel like I'm not drinking enough. And that lets me know, like, I'm very good at reading my body, and like, I don't play about that. Like, I know every little thing. Like, I know when something's off, and that's with anything. That's like even with my menstrual, my diet, everything. Like, I know when stuff is off. So when I'm doing something that's off balance, it's like beep, 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 beep. What the is you doing? That's how my body be. What the is you doing out there? Because this ain't right. This ain't what we doing. Ma'am, Miss Mamas, get it together. So as soon as I get the little alarm, as soon as I get a beep, 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 I start saying, okay, let me stop binging on stuff that I know I don't need, and get back on my routine. So like, I've been doing a bunch of water, just water, and I'll have a cup of coffee every now and then. And Yeah, so I had to do that earlier because I really needed some water. But I want Starbucks so bad, y'all. I'm really craving this Starbucks. I'm not even about to lie. I'm not even gonna hold you. I am gonna catch y'all in a second because I'm about to actually run in the store. And I don't feel like taking my camera. Oh, shit. I don't feel like taking my camera because this is like a quick thing. So I'll see y'all in a second. Yeah, I'm about to get a car wash now. I just said bump it. I just need to get a car wash. Like, I hate it. My car is white, so it's just one of those things where, I mean, you can't be driving around with a white car that look brown, beige, off-white, whatever you want to call it. Shit, eggshell. It's just, it ain't white. I know that. So we need a white car. So that's what we doing. Your car smile when they get a car wash. I know my car does. I don't know about y'all car. My car be smiling.
Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA. Can't keep this for long. What's going on? I put it in the song.
Out of here, ready. Wait, I'll get your truck. Truck. Truck and truck. Hi, Ray. Hi, Ray. How was your day? Y'all see something weird? Point it out if you see it. So we better go to the park, and I tell my son, let's get ready. Well, I say hold on, because I got him ready. And I say, hold on, let mommy get ready real quick. Let me throw something on. He proceeds to go into my beauty closet and hand me my lashes and start to try to put them up for me, like on my eyes. I don't know whether to be flattered or he telling me I need lashes because my eyes look like dead without them. I don't know what. And look, they just sitting up there. They ain't glued or nothing. Then as soon as I put them on, he's like, wow. Look at this, y'all. This is so funny.
Beautiful people. Beautiful.
Go!
Woo!
Yay! High five! Yay!
Beautiful. Oh, don't you know? Don't you know? Oh, beautiful. Don't you know? Oh, don't you know? Don't you know? Oh, beautiful. Don't you know?
Since you don't act like you got no sense, act like you got money. Fuck tripping, running. That's my thing. Tata, baba, sipping lean like it's aqua.